Michalska, and she's going to be doing a talk on how living a balanced city life.
Hello, good afternoon. Thank you for having me here. It is really a great honor for me to talk to you today. My name is Natalia, and I'm a Portsmouth-based photographer and digital artist. And I am here to talk to you today about keeping balance and reconnecting with nature. You're probably thinking now, what is that and why is that there? Well, you're looking at my biggest childhood passion, mushroom collection. Ever since I can remember, my father used to take me to the woods and teach me how to identify the different species of mushrooms, how to tell the edible ones from the poisonous ones, and what trees live in symbiotic relationships with what mushrooms, and where to look for those. This is the actual forest that my father used to take me to when I was a child. So, yes, my father has taught me a lot about the art of mushroom collecting, but I have learned much more during those forest adventures with my father. I have learned how to observe and how to inspect every detail of the forest floor with care and passion, and how to live and enjoy the very moment of encounter, and how to explore and respect the environment I was in. Essentially, I have learned how to connect with nature. Here I am with my best friend, connecting with nature and proudly presenting our harvest of the day. So, my childhood experiences, because of my childhood experiences, I believe and I see myself as a very nature-connected and a very nature-loving person. But even someone with such strong connection to nature like myself can get absorbed very easily by the urban jungle and get lost and disconnect from nature from long periods of time. And that's exactly what's happened to me around 2 years ago when I was working for a very busy office in Munich. When I was working for the office, well, at some point I realized, well, this is obviously too much. And luckily enough, I have decided to leave. And after I left, I spent a lot of time in nature and walking and just being with nature. And that felt just right. I felt like I have returned home after a very long and strenuous journey. And I felt happy. I felt reconnected. And it is only then that I have fully embraced the importance of connecting with nature, something that I took for granted when I was a child. There has been some research done on the positive effects and the relation between spending time in green spaces and the well-being. And here are some of the findings from that research. So, through my experiences and what I have learned, those things have shaped me, and my experiences and things that I have learned were the main inspiration for my surreal photography series called Reconnect. I felt it was important for me to share my observations and share the experiences that I have made. Because I think it is crucial to talk about the challenge that we all face in our fast-paced lives nowadays. So, in my images, I am bringing the animals back to the cities in order to allow people to reconnect and hopefully to inspire you to take a break, switch off, and go out there and connect with nature. The following images were taken in different cities like Munich, London, Portsmouth and Devizes, and all the animals that are featured in the photographs were photographed by me as well. So if you like the images, you can see more of them just around the corner at La Café Parisien. I have brought something with me today, actually. I have brought some pebbles. And these are for you to either take home and for you to remind you that it is important to reconnect. Or they're for you to take them back to the seafront and hopefully reconnect while doing so. Thank you very much for your time. And please remember one thing. Yes, it is very challenging and difficult to live a city life. And it is very easy to lose the balance and touch with nature. But the future looks bright if we only remember to make the time to go out there and reconnect. Thank you. Do you have any questions at all? No.
Did you take the polar bear in that last one, was it?
Yes, I have taken that polar bear as well.
Where was
I have taken it in the Munich Zoo, actually.
Okay.
Yes.
That's cool.
Okay, thank you. I'll just share some pebbles with you.